Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I'm going to be telling you and showing you what I have in my nice mini. Like this. Super cute guys. Oh, wait, I thought I had it backwards. Okay, the zipper is like over here. So this is the medium size guys. This is my makeup bag. This was actually a gift from my husband that he got me, I believe around last year, if I'm correct, because guys, oh my gosh, we went to Texas, right? And for a trip, we were on a road trip, and he lost my makeup bag over there. He says that it was probably me, but I don't think so because he's the one that carried everything to the car. But anyways, okay, so he lost my makeup bag, and yeah, I was never able to get it back, but he got me this one, so I was like, okay, I can't get mad at you anymore, you know. But yes guys, so okay, I'm gonna do an up close and personal. You guys already know how I like to do my videos, so you guys can get an up close look at the bag. I do have an insert for it, so I'll show you guys that too, and all the little stuff that I have in there guys. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so as you can see, I just do my chola eyebrows guys. Yes, I do chola eyebrows because I have no eyebrows guys. I wasn't blessed here, and I don't know how to do all those little fancy eyebrows. If you do, show me a good tutorial or something, you know. But anyways guys, yeah, I just do my eyebrows, I do my eyeliner, and that's it. So let's see what I have in here, because I do love it guys. I freaking love this little baggie. Super cute. Oh, and by the way, I do use this as a handbag too, so 2 in 1. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is my nice mini. This is how it looks from the front. Up close guys, look at this. This is the medium size. Okay, I know there's one that's bigger and then there's one that's smaller. This is a medium size, a nice mini. So this is the top. Like I said, I have been having this for a little over a year. You can see it has tiny water spots on it. Not much damage. This is the bottom. Guys, one time I had my bag in the car. I do my makeup in the car sometimes when we go somewhere far, and my kids spilled some soda in the car guys, and it spilled all on the bottom. All of this was wet, just the bottom though. Thank God it didn't spill like on the top, you know, right here. It spilled only on the bottom, and I did clean it with wipes. Everything looks fine. There's no like major water spots, but yes, little quick story time. It was like a Sprite. Maybe if it would have been like a dark soda, I would have done more damage, but yeah, that's how it looks on the bottom. And this is the sides. The back. So the zipper does go all the way to the back right here. It folds back like that. The other side, I need to clean it too. It's a little dirty. And this is the top. So now let's look inside. Brace yourself guys, okay? Don't freak out. So guys, I do have our little stuffed. This is the top guys. I love that the interior is like leathery. It is dirty a little bit. I need to clean it, like I said, but it's not soft fabric material, because you know, using it as a makeup bag, it's gonna get more dirty like that, you know, faster. And then this is easier to wipe off. Just with the quick wipe I can clean it off. I'll probably do that in a bit. But yes guys, I do love that about the interior. Like I said, it does fold back like this, kind of hangs off a bit. I have some Q-tips guys. I like to use these for my eyebrows. I also have a little mirror. Says Chola Lives Matter. And of course I had to bling it out. This is a super old little mirror that I love to use. I have some little wipes that I got from like Ross guys. These are like makeup removing wipes. I don't always take off my makeup, which I should, but yes, I like to use these. Of course, I have some hair ties because I love having my hair up and always have to have these handy. I need to clean all this stuff, guys. I have lotion. My skin is so sensitive to like scented lotions. I can only use those like in my hands or my arms, but I have to use like Aveeno mostly, so I always have a little one. In here I have a little jack pouch that I got from like Walmart, and I keep my tweezers in here. I just thought it was so cute and I didn't know what to use this for, so I was like, oh, one day I was like, oh, let me just put the tweezers in there, you know, because you know sometimes when you have your tweezers just thrown in your makeup bag, sometimes when you go in there you like poke yourself. Yes, so I was like, let me just use this for that. So I have my tweezers. Yeah, cochino. Guys, I don't know how organized you guys have your makeup bags, but mine always look like a hot mess. Look, I have like Q-tips. Clean Q-tips, guys, don't freak out. Just in here. I don't even know why. Let me take all these out. Oh, you know why? Because my daughter was playing with my makeup bag the other day while I was doing my makeup. That's why. Probably made a mess. Okay, so those are out of the way, guys. Apparently I had dirty, well, not like dirty Q-tips, but okay. So I also have some strawberry Bath and Body Works nourishing lip mask. I love how this smells, guys. Oh my gosh, if you guys could smell it. You see what my daughter did? Oh my gosh, this girl. Do your kids go through your makeup bag and play with your makeup? This girl does. So I have this one. I love it. I also have this little Jack pumpkin. Super cute. It's chapstick. And of course, the old regular chapstick. Guys, I just throw stuff in here. I'm like, I don't even know. I have a sharpener. A makeup sharpener. I have a lip shimmer from Bath and Body Works also. A little shimmer on it. Can you guys see it? This one's cute. I don't wear like lip gloss. I mean, I don't wear lipstick, so I have a bunch of like chapsticks and like lip glosses, stuff like that. I have this one, moisture balm, lip balm, hydrating lip balm from, I think this is from Victoria's Secret. I think so, yeah, because it has a VS. Told you guys I just have a bunch of like stuff in here. I have this one, my favorite night balm from Bath and Body Works too, I think. I get a bunch of these from like, you know, when you get the coupons and then they're like, and it says to get something under like $10 or something. That's why I have a bunch of these. And I have this one, a vanilla lip balm, also from Bath and Body Works. I have this, guys. Oh my gosh, my husband made me this little pocket lock, or what do you call them, like heart lock. It was a necklace, but it broke and I still have not gotten it fixed, but I threw it on here. It's all dirty. It's pictures of us when we got married and then us like back in the day. Oh, it's so dirty. I need to get it fixed. I need to get it like repaired, but I have it in here because I don't want to lose it. It has our date. He gave me this for Christmas one year. It has our date when we got married, and it says, well, it says, "You're always on my mind, babe." And it has our anniversary when we got married, March 17, 2016. And then over here in the front side, it says our date that we actually started dating, and it was October 10, 2013. And it says, "My love for you will never fade away." And then it says Daniel plus Elsie. That's my first name and his name. But yes, I have this in there. I love it. It just needs a lot of work now. Super old. And then I have a little razor blade for my eyebrows. Told you guys I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so there's not much to see in here. I'm just showing you guys, just so you guys can get an idea of what fits in here, you know. I also have a MAC Magic Extension mascara. I don't always use mascara, but once in a while I do, and I like this one. And then I have like my Walmart makeup. So I like to use Wet n Wild. I don't use any fancy makeup, guys. I like to use this one for my eyebrows. This is the one I have been using since like middle school, guys. Okay, literally for years. It's like $1, not even. And then this is the one I have been using lately. I have a few of them. I need to see which ones work and which ones don't. But this is Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is the one I have been using lately because I feel like it's not like super dark. Look. It kind of like draws your eyebrows for you. Does a little lines. This one's kind of old. Let me show you guys. What the heck? I need to buy a new one. Well, anyways. You see how it's not like super dark? You get that idea. So I have these. I need to buy more because these run out so quick. I don't even know why I have so many that don't work. And then I've been trying to, like I told you guys, I've been trying to like do my eyebrows different ways. So I have like these that I honestly don't like, but I just keep them there just in case, you know. I have this Maybelline Tattoo Studio, but this is a pencil. And then this is a marker from CoverGirl. Easy Breezy Brow. No, it's not Easy Breezy. Okay. This is like drugstore makeup, guys. And then my eyeliner. I have this one. Tattoo Studio also. But this is for like the bottom eyelid, you know. I have this one. And then for eyeliner, I have a bunch of them. I have been really liking this one, the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And then I have another one of this. Told you guys, I really like it. It's what I've been using a lot of lately. I have this one, Maybelline Hyper Easy. I don't really like it though. But like I said, I still have it in here just in case. And this one does alright, but it does get a little mushy throughout the day though. Maybelline Master Precise All Day. So yeah, guys, that's it. I don't have much. And then of course I have an insert because I'm not gonna get, look, do you see how dirty this is? Can you see how dirty it is? That's gross. I need to wash it. Yes, you can throw these in the washer. The insert, guys, not the makeup bag. And I actually got this off Amazon. I tried to look for the link so I could put it in the description, but it says it's out of stock. So yeah, but it is from Zoomoni. Sorry, guys. If it's perfectly in here, oh my gosh, I love this. It has a little side pocket on here. It has 2 on this side and 2 on this side. I don't use them, but it's still cute, you know. And then this is how the makeup bag looks without the insert. I don't know how I managed to get dirty still, but look how clean it is, guys. Like I said, you can use this as a purse also. Look, it has a pocket in here. I believe the, what is it called? NIC, or I don't know, but the chip, I believe the chip is behind here. I've scanned it before. It's like on the back of the makeup bag, I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, guys, look, a quick wipe down. I love that it's like this, easy to clean, guys. Look at that. So this is after a year use, guys. It's dirty here because I don't have no cover for this, obviously, but here I have my inserts. And look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. The insert fits perfectly. I wish they still had them in stock, guys, so I could give you the link, but they don't. So maybe I'll add the link, and then if they ever like restock, you guys will have the link already, you know, because this really honestly fits perfectly in here. So yes, guys, that's it. Not much to see. Told you guys, I just do my eyeliner and my eyebrows, and that's it. But look, all that fits in here perfectly. Let me put this in there. Look, You can even put some of these like this with the inserts if you want to. I just have like random stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put these in here actually. There. I know I've seen a lot of people that have their makeup bags all organized and all pretty, guys. I'm sorry. That's not me. This is a realistic, I have 5 minutes to do my makeup, okay? Type of thing. But yes. So, look, everything fits in there perfectly. And look at that. Close. I still have space in there, guys. Still have a bit of space in there. I also use it as a handbag, like I told you guys. I put the hooks right here and a chain on it. Very rare though, guys. But yes, this is my little makeup bag, and that is what I have in there, guys. Not much to see, but yes. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this little video. I know there wasn't much to see in there, but guys, there is a lot that can go in this little baggie. And guys, I have been having this, like I told you guys, for like around a year, maybe a little bit more now. And it's like new, guys. I freaking love it. I think it was a little bit of a blessing that my husband lost my makeup bag, you know, because then I got this for no reason at all. I didn't even ask for it. I was just like, you know, buy me another makeup bag. But I thought I was going to get a little juicy one, you know, because that's the one I used to have. But I got this. So yes, if you do like this little nice baby, I recommend for you to go get it because it is lovely. And like I told you guys, you can use it as a bag or as a makeup bag, whatever you want, or both. So yes, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. I don't know why I always forget to tell you guys to subscribe. If you subscribe, I would be so grateful. So yes, guys. Okay, bye.